When building and renovating, it is essential to choose the right floor protection. In this video, we will talk about Perfect-Cover Breathable and Perfect-Cover Vapor-Permeable, specially developed to support moisture management and prevent damage to sensitive floors. Both cover fleeces have a unique breathable feature and allows moisture to escape from the floor while liquids do not penetrate. This prevents condensation and damage to the surface beneath. Perfect-Cover Breathable is suitable for freshly laid or treated floors with a high moisture content, such as natural stone or cast floors. This special membrane prevents moisture accumulation and allows up to 1.2 liters of moisture per square meter for 24 hours to pass through. Perfect-Cover Breathable is only suitable for recently laid concrete, provided the moisture content remains within this limit. It's not suitable for floors that have been treated with chemicals. Perfect-Cover Vapor-Permeable is ideal for floors that need to continue to breathe, such as ceramic tiles and wooden floors. The Vapor-Permeable top layer allows up to 70 grams of moisture per square meter per 24 hours to pass through and prevents tension in the floor. Perfect-Cover Breathable can be used as the same application as the Vapor-Permeable, but not vice versa. Both are self-adhesive, lightweight and easy to install, just like you used to for Perfect-Cover. The material is ready to use immediately and offers up to 3 months of protection without leaving any residue. Want to know more? Visit our website.